people, it's CC Devereaux, and this is another loose to locked video where I take a loose natural hairstyle and I recreate it on my locks. I've been seeing these larger box braids that are like shoulder length on Pinterest. I've been seeing a lot of girls rock it. So cute. One person in particular by the name of Iaintreallylikeit, she rocks these so well, and this is the picture here. So I wanted to try it out, see how it looks. I think now that my hair is a bit longer, I'll be able to pull this off, because when it was shorter and I would try to braid my hair, it would look a little Sealy-ish, a little, you know, color purple. So, so now I'm gonna give it a shot again. Hopefully it turns out cute. So just so you know, before I get started, I know I said this in my last video, but I don't have the most neat parts. So if that's your jam, if you have to have neat parts, that's cool, but just know that mine are not. And yeah, also my hair has not been retightened for over a month, so it is very new growthy. So I'm going to go ahead and try this hairstyle out, you guys. I'm going to make the braids a bit larger in the back and smaller towards the front, because I have a lot of hair on my head. It's very thick. So if I made them all the smaller size, it would be so many braids and it would take so long. And yeah, I ain't really pressed for that. So I'm gonna try it out this way and see how it goes. And yeah, guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I'm not gonna say that I don't like the hairstyle, but it's not my favorite. I'm gonna try this again later and see if I can get it to how I like it, but for now, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and until next time, bye.